What's up, YouTube? Time for another unboxing. It's been a while, I know. I apologize for that. We're going to do... As you can see, Shawn's with me from Your Hometown Eats.
Hey, guys.
Make sure you check out his channel if you haven't yet. If you haven't yet, I don't understand why, because we've done collaborations plenty of times. This is the first time we're doing one for an unboxing. But, hey, it's been a while. Apparently, how many months?
4! At least.
I don't think it's been quite that long. Maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know. Anyway.
Whatever, it's been a couple days.
Yeah, a couple of days. Anyway, we're going to unbox the DJI Osmo Mobile. So,
I'm excited.
You know how I always say, without further ado, let's jump in. So, let me grab my knife here. You know, I think it's kind of cool that we're going to be unboxing this together, but at the same time, you're kind of just going to be sitting there while I'm unboxing it. I don't know. Like, are you going to hold it for me while I cut it?
Would you like me to hold it for you while you cut it?
Can you?
I can't.
Hold
it
it
seems
still.
like this might be a very complicated thing.
Yeah, just hold it still. No, don't put your hand there. I don't want to cut your hand. I just want to cut the box.
This is tough.
Okay.
Sorry, guys. I'm new at this.
Oh, God. I'm shaky. It's been so long. I'm out of practice.
Don't be scared. It's just a box.
But you know how, like, it almost feels like when it's your first time all over again?
Oh, my God. Sorry.
All right. We're in.
We should probably never do these together. I'm sorry. We're not a good combination. We're really not good. Thanks, I'll take that.
Plastic.
Yeah, I like plastic.
Plastic.
I remember watching one of your videos where you said something about you live for plastic or something about it being the bane of your existence.
Bane of my existence. You are correct.
I still have tears in my eyes.
What? How do I...
I'm very emotional about this unboxing,
There's a
guys.
lot of stuff going on with this box.
I like this item. I wanted one of these, so I'm just emotional because I'm so happy to see it finally.
Haha. Doesn't work very well.
Look, we can team this.
Oh yes, let's double team
There's
it.
two of us. I got it. There we go.
Oh, did you hear that
Jeez.
popping sound? Gosh. All right. Well, now that that's just out of the way.
God, this thing's beautiful.
Is
Where's the camera go? I'm so glad I have you to do these unboxings for me. I wouldn't know how to go. I wouldn't know what to do from here. I thought this was it.
Yeah, you know that's. Oh gosh, that's the top.
It's upside down.
How do you? There's not instructions. It's a blank box. All right. Well, anyway. Ooh. All right. So instruction manual. Bzz. There's several in there. Yeah. Okay. Your favorite silica gel.
Do not throw away. Eat.
This top of the box has got a lot in there still. Like, is it like... Oh, I bet you I know what's in there. I bet you it's the little holder thing. You're special. Alrighty.
See, Ma? You're not the only one who thinks I'm special.
Looks like a 3.5 millimeter USB charging cable comes with. Hand lanyard. Battery. Yeah. And then, of course, the actual gimbal itself. Pretty cool. Let's take this guy out in a way that I don't break it. There's a lot going on.
In case you didn't know, breaking it during the unboxing usually frowned upon.
Yeah, yeah. Ooh, look what it does. It needs a battery.
I don't think you turned it on yet.
Nope. And then, of course, as I expected, the carrying case. It's a really big lanyard thing for the carrying case. And there's pockets inside the carrying case. There's pockets.
I like pockets.
Pockets inside the carrying case. Alrighty, well, that's it. It's unboxed. Look at that.
Alright guys, so thanks for watching. This has been another TEKNOnaut unboxing. Are we done?
Not quite yet.
Oh, see?
And
First ride. I'm new. I'm sorry.
It is a nice case. It's actually like embossed on there. It feels neat.
Feels like pretty good quality too.
Yeah. This is just extra cardboard. I don't know why I left that out.
And everything's light. That thing is super light.
Yeah, yeah.
So not a lot to carry this thing around.
Looks like the battery has a pull tab. I don't know if that's supposed to stay.
I think that's to help you pull it in and
Yeah,
out.
that's what I was expecting.
Ooh, more plastic. That's why I'm really here.
You know, yes. I'm not gonna read. I'm not gonna. I'm definitely not gonna read the instruction manuals. I'm just gonna put this.
There's so much arm hair on this plastic.
It wasn't even that sticky. Alrighty. It's got 0 charge to it, guys. So it's not. It's gonna be staying limp like this. We're not gonna be able to do anything about that. So that's the DJI Osmo. It's cool, and I'm sure it's even cooler when it's working. I would expect it to have some sort of charge to it, but it's not showing anything.
Yeah.
So.
Talk about short.
Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unique, different, long-awaited return of an unboxing. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Check out his channel. We'll see you later. Have a wonderful day. Bye. That was the most retarded one I've ever done.
Shane, there was no point to this. You pulled 4 items out of a box. And then it just flopped. Because it didn't even turn on.
Yep. Yep.
What are you going to actually put online?